Hello everyone, this is Gamo Edits and welcome back for another YouTube video. In this tutorial, you will learn how to transform your PowerPoint presentation into an animated flipbook and share it to your social media accounts or even embed in your own website using this powerful platform called Issuu. So I have here my presentation template, which is a magazine inspired one, and I'll be using this presentation for you to show how you can convert this into a flipbook. And since I love all of my subscribers, I will also share this template for free. Just check the description box for more info. This presentation has hyperlinks, and we will see later if Issuu can detect and notice these hyperlinks. Now, in order for us to transform it into a flipbook, we need to open our browser and go to issuu.com. With Issuu, you can upload your PDF, PowerPoint files, or any digital files to create beautiful, flippable, page-turning content. The first thing you need to do is to create your own account. You can easily sign up using your Gmail account or Facebook account. And what I really love about Issuu is that you can sign up and use it for free without entering your credit card details. But as a user of this platform, the free version is already nice and capable since you can do the main functions with the free plan. But I highly recommend you to upgrade your account into a premium since there are a lot of benefits and features available when you upgrade that will really help you if you are fascinated and interested in doing flipbook contents as a part of your work routine. So here is the user interface, which I believe is super user friendly. We have here the side panel for your uploads, your library, and some advanced features here. We also have information tabs for you and some customer support. You can also search for your favorite content and creators. And the main highlight, of course, is here where you can just drag and drop or upload the files to be converted. Another good thing about Issuu is that they provide some free templates if you don't have a file yet. They have template for books. Let's see. So it is a book template. They also have for menu. Very nice. Brochure. Wow. And my favorite, of course, the presentation one. And more. You just need to download them, edit, and then upload back to Issuu in order for you to convert it into a flipbook. This time, let's now try to convert a PowerPoint presentation into a flipbook. Under your Home tab, click this Upload a File button. But before uploading the PPT file, I highly suggest you to save your PowerPoint file first into a PDF file so that the fonts and the final look will be exactly the same as the file in the PowerPoint. But if you are just using some default or common fonts, then you don't have to convert it into a PDF file. After converting it into PDF file, we can now go back here, then upload the file you wish to be converted. Just click the Upload the File button, then choose the file you wish to convert. So we will click this PDF file, which is originally a PPT file, but they are just the same. Issuu will automatically convert it into a flipbook. You don't have to worry about your editing skills since Issuu will do all of the work. So here is the output made by Issuu. Let's view it in full screen using this option below. Then we can click this next button here, then Issuu will automatically turn the page into next like a flipbook. As you can see, the animation here is very nice and the feeling is the same as you read an actual physical book because of the flipping page animation. And here are some of the slides from the original presentation file. Now let's try if Issuu can detect the hyperlink since I added hyperlink here, which will direct us to Issuu website. Let's click here, and as you can see, the hyperlink is working fine. Now going back to this, we can further edit our flipbook before publishing it for public viewing. We can add our own title here. Let's type The Greens of the World. And you can see here some informations and statistics, the size of the file, your number of pages, the number of articles detected. You can also add your description that will describe your flipbook to your viewers. So let me just type here some random words and further edit our flipbooks, such as the visibility, where you can set it as public, maybe unlisted, where only readers with a direct link will be able to see your publication, and you can also post it by scheduled. There's also an option here where you can remove banner ads, but I believe this is only for premium users. You can also make your link visible or detected for clicking, and allow downloads for your viewers. You can also select the backdate and select your publication type. Articles will also be detected from your document. Now, another cool feature that I really love is the ability to embed a video to your flipbook. Just click this add links and videos here, then select the page you like your video to be placed. In my case, I'll be selecting the last page. Then drag the space you want to allocate using your cursor. Then you will see here some options of what you want to place in that space, maybe a website, a video, or a shopping site. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will select the option for a video. YouTube and Vimeo are both supported here for embedding. Let us now try to embed this short video from Issuu. Let's just copy the URL and paste it here on its designated place. Then choose Embed in Publication. Choosing this option will allow us to place the video itself inside the flipbook. There are also other options here, but I don't like the video to play automatically. That is why I will stick with the second option. Then hit done and then save. Now going back, we will see here if the video is now included in the flipbook. Let's try to play it. Last page. Let's click the play button.
Never-ending finger swiping.
So there you go.
Scrolling.
You can also navigate to other pages as well and then play the video again once we go back here.
Flip through online pages.
So this is an amazing feature from Issuu. If you are now satisfied with the settings and everything, we can now hit the publish button. You will be asked here about some content rights, and all you have to do is to confirm and publish. And with that, you are now live on Issuu. You can now see here your preview, and an open tab or a new tab will open, so you can see here the full preview. We can view it full screen. So here is the final preview that you can share to your friends, to your work, or in everything. And now let's try to play this video if it will play.
Never-ending finger swiping, mouse holding, scrolling. Wouldn't it be nice?
And that is so cool. Let us now try to embed this on my website. Under your My Library, click the Publications, and under your Publish file, click the flipbook you just published. And then we will click this Share button, and then click the Embed on Website. And then you will be tasked here to edit your settings. You can change your background color to any color that you like, maybe red, blue, or what, but I will stick into black. And then you can select on which page you will start, if it is double page or single page. But I really love the double page effect, that is why I will stick into it. Then you can also turn on the auto flip pages, but I don't like this feature because I want it to become responsive, where I can manually next the pages. And some advanced settings and premium features, such as removing the Issuu branding, promoting your publication, hiding the share buttons, your logo or background image. And then finally, the code for your website. Issuu will provide the codes that you can be used for your website. All you need to do is to copy it. And good thing that I'm using a WordPress for my website. Now shifting to a new tab. This is my website. So I will just change it, or I will transform to code editor so I can paste the code Issuu provided for me. So now we will paste it to the place where you want to add the flipbook. And then paste, and let's see the output. So here is the output. It is now embedded on my website. Now let's try if the flipbook is working. Let's click this next button. So as you can see, the Flipbook is now working on my website. I can also click the full screen for better viewing. And now let's try to play this video. And the hyperlink as well is working fine. So that's it. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you want to try Issuu, just go to issuu.com or click the link in the description so you can start converting your presentation or other files into flipbooks for free. Again, this is Gamo Edits and thank you for watching.